Let's show you now how easy it is to connect a RX panel to the battery, to recharge the battery. The RX panel has 5-meter cable. At the end there is a seal plug connected. This you have to insert into the charge regulator, which is also inside the package. And at the end of this there is a car connector already mounted, and this you have to put into the socket of your car. This is a standard 12-volt socket, and you see that just only by plug and play you can recharge the battery. Here in this sample we have a battery and also other charging equipment, for example wind generator, alternator, whatever. The charge regulator Fox 062 could stay connected all the time, independent from other charging units. There is no influence from these charging units back to the Fox 062. That's what I can explain to you.